everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. In this video, we will learn how to schedule a workshop. Workshops allow you to book a repeating class and allow clients to enroll into all required classes. They are perfect for a bootcamp course for gyms or a multi-session class broken down throughout the week. Let me show you how it works. Keep in mind that you will need to have your classes added to your service and class menu beforehand. We will start from the calendar screen and click into the time slot we want to book onto. In the new menu, we will select New Class. In the new screen, we will add in our class. Mine will be a HIIT Beginners Workshop. On the left-hand side, we can manage the instructor, attendees, duration, and resources. On the right-hand side, I could add in any notes and manage the repeat schedule. By default, it is set for daily. For this workshop, I will set weekly, and I'll have it repeat every other day for the full 3 sessions. If needed, I could set this as monthly or even yearly. I will go ahead and book this workshop. I will see it immediately added onto the calendar, and if needed, I can edit a single class or the entire occurrence. Now let's add in an attendee. I'll quickly select one. Keep in mind that my workshop is in progress, and adding someone to a workshop will prompt them to be added into all sessions. I will go ahead and select Continue. Once done, I will see my attendee added into all sessions. Workshops are perfect for a quick series of classes like a bootcamp or any beginner courses. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.